Good morning. My name is Muhammad Basri H.
I am
Kaizen,
Abra Silerio.
I am Cedric Chavez.
And I'm Jason Carlignacio.
and we are the third presenter. Our title is The Level of Influence of Social Media on the Political Views of College Students. Starting with the rationale. These past few years, up until now, extensive literature has been published regarding social media effects on real-life political participation. Many argue that social media stimulates online and offline political participation. This study investigates the level of influence of social media on the political views of college students and distribute our survey among students for data collection purposes. The results reveal that the majority of these students use social media for political awareness and information. Political efficiency is significantly based on political participation. In addition to that, social media is a vital platform for netizens to participate in real-life political activities. In conclusion, the findings of this study suggest that online political activities strongly correlate to political views and offline political participation. In Davao City, the younger generation are very active on social media to participate in online and offline political happenings. In our statement of the problem, the college students are becoming increasingly more familiar with politics through the use of social media. Political affiliation and opinions are generated through a number of ways. Additionally, this underscores the importance of social media content and the role plays in influencing the opinions and political affiliation of individuals. Because we, millennials, are heavy social media users, relying on such platforms to help them stay connected with friends and family, the focus of this report will be on how social network sites influence college students' political opinions or views. Today, it is nearly impossible to go Facebook or Twitter, not see a single post related to politics, whether that comes in the form of informative article or an opinion piece from a friend of yours. College students learn about politics through education, interacting with their peers, and from their parents' own opinions. However, social media in particular has become the largest medium for political discussion and debate. Media also influences young adults to form political affiliation and opinions of their own extent. The extent of this influence varies from person to person and a place to place. The purpose of this project is to examine how effective social media content is in influencing the politic, political affiliation and opinion held by the college students. For a statement of hypothesis,
So, statement of a hypothesis. There is no significant relationship between student exposure to social media and their political views. There is no significant relationship between student use of social media and their political views.
so
So, our significance of the study. We all know that social media is the best tool in spreading information about the event that happened to our government. It's also helpful to those students to be knowledgeable about their views in the politics. The essence of our study is to determine the level of influence of the college students about their views in the politics. The level of influence of social media is very important to college students because by this research we will know that if social media really influence students about their views in politics. Also, it is beneficial to ourselves to know the importance of having social media account. By this, we can easily know the things that happen in the politics.
So, scope and limitation of the study. This study will primarily focus on determining the level of influence of social, what's mo to? Sabihin?
Social media.
Social media political view of college student. This study is limited only to 60 bachelor of asa man? Of Science in Criminology student of University of Mindanao Matina campus who enrolled in the semesters of school year 2020-2021.
So for the definition of terms, so these words are the most vital terms needed for the better understanding of our study. So first is the influence. Influence typically means to affect or change someone or something in an indirect but usually important way. Something or someone that influence a person or a thing then has an influence on that person or a thing. BS Criminology. The Bachelor of Science in Criminology or Criminal Justice is a 4-year degree program intended for individuals who wish to have a career in fields of law enforcement, security, administration, crime detection, and prevention of correctional administration. Politics. Politics is the way that people living in groups make decisions in everyday life. The term politics refers to the way that countries are governed and to the ways that governments make rules and laws. Politics can also be seen in other groups, such as in companies, clubs, schools, and churches. Next is political views. In social studies, a political ideology is a certain set of ethical ideas, principles, doctrines, myths, or symbols of a social movement, institution, class, or large group that explains how society should work and offers some political and culture's blueprint for a certain social order. The last one is social media. Websites and applications that enable users to create and share content or to participate in social networking. So that's the end of our presentation. Thank you.